So we're gonna go to the directory, which is over here, thick client. So I'm gonna cd that. Then we're gonna node this file over here. And then you can see there are two URL links. So I'll copy the first one and then enter it here. So we all basically gave the same result but different format, but exactly the same result as the teacher provided, like the professor provided here, the same URL link. And so we're gonna try another one. So here is the enter the sound name, and I just enter nothing. So you're gonna please enter a sound name. Then if I enter the body and soul, you're gonna go song matching body and soul, and these are all the data similar, same as that one, and also exactly the same as this one, except for the little format here. And that's pretty much the problem for this tutorial.